Where's this one?
E.
E. W. E. L. R. Y. S. E. T.
That's right.
W. S. L. R. T.
That's an F.
F. Where's this?
That's an A.
A. Where's this?
N.
N. P.
Right?
Where's this?
A.
A. Where's this?
C.
C. K.
Right.
V. Where's this?
A.
A. L. U.
Do you remember which letter that is?
E.
Right.
E. I.
It kind of looks like an I, yeah.
Where's this?
That's a dollar sign, so that's something that you put in front of numbers when you're trying to show how much something is, like, for money.
Where's this?
So that's a dollar sign.
Where's this?
That's a 4.
Where's this?
That's a 4.
And that is
That's a dollar sign. I know it's hard to explain.
like,
That says $45.
look.
And that says $90.
Uh-huh. And that's it. And that's it.
Right, it's like an S. Pretty smart cookie.
Where's that?
4.
E.
That's a 5.
It's a C.
It kind of does look like an E.
It's a Z.
Oh, Z. Yeah, kind of.
Ice cream. There's a T there.